In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Daily Receivables Report in Quickbooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull a one-day snapshot of customer payments and send it to your printer or save it as a PDF for your records. First, sign into QuickBooks Online. Once your company file loads, look to the left-hand navigation and select Reports. This is your reporting hub where you can quickly find, run, and share the data you need. In the search bar at the top of the Reports page, type Sales by Customer Detail, then open that report. Even though the name focuses on sales, this view will also display customer payment activity when you narrow the time frame, which makes it perfect for a daily receivables check. Next, set the report to a single day. At the top, click Report Period and choose Custom. In the date fields, enter the same date for both the from and to boxes, like February 19 to February 19. This tells QuickBooks to capture only the transactions from that specific day. When you're ready, click Run Report to refresh the view with your exact date filter. You should now see all customer activity for that day, including payments received. The report groups details by customer, which makes it easy to scan who paid and how much, and to confirm the totals you expect to see in your daily receivables. Before you print, take a quick moment to confirm the date at the top of the report and that the totals align with your deposit records for the day. If something looks off, make sure the date range didn't revert and that you're in the correct company file. When the report looks right, go to the upper right and click the print icon. A preview window will open so you can review the layout. Check that the report title, date, and totals are visible on the page and adjust orientation or margins if your browser's print dialog offers those options. If you're sending it straight to paper, select your printer and click print. If you prefer a digital copy, change the destination to save as PDF instead. Give the file a clear name that includes the date, such as Daily Receivables 2026-02-19, and save it to your accounting folder so it's easy to reference later or share with your team. That's it. Log in, open Sales by Customer Detail, set a one-day custom date range, run the report, and print or save. Repeat the same steps anytime you need a clean daily receivables snapshot.